In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure default log and track settings in HubSpot. This is really useful if you want to make sure that emails sent through HubSpot are consistently logged and tracked for your whole team without everyone having to adjust their own settings manually. By the end, you'll know exactly where these options live and how to set them up in a way that works for your organization. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look at the very top bar of the screen. Toward the right-hand side, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings area in HubSpot. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your settings. When the settings page loads, focus on the menu on the left-hand side. This left panel is where HubSpot groups all of its configuration options. Scroll or look down until you find the section labeled Data Management. Under Data Management, click on Objects. The main area of the page will now show the object settings. At the top, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you choose which type of object you want to work with. Click on that drop-down, and from the list of options, select Activities. As soon as you choose Activities, HubSpot will bring you to the Email Log and Track tab by default. This is exactly where we want to be. Here, you'll see a section labeled Email Log and Track Settings. Under that, there are several options with checkboxes to the left of each one. Let's go through the key options you'll see. First, there's the choice to allow all users to log email attachments. Enabling this ensures that when emails are logged, any attached files are also stored in HubSpot, which can be really helpful for keeping full records of client communication. Next, you may see an option to apply a default log setting for all users for the sales extension only. Turning this on lets you standardize how logging behaves for everyone using the HubSpot sales extension, so you don't have people using different defaults. You'll also see a checkbox to allow all users to track emails and see when recipients open and click on their emails. If you enable this, users will be able to access engagement data, which is very useful for sales and marketing follow-ups. In addition to these, you have options to enable logging of replies only, as well as logging all emails. Logging replies only is helpful if you don't want every outbound email in the system, but you do want to capture the ongoing conversation. Logging all emails is more comprehensive and is often used when you want a complete communication history. Once you've adjusted any of these settings, look toward the bottom of the screen. A bar will appear with Save and Cancel buttons. If you're happy with your changes, click Save to apply them for your account. If you decide not to keep the changes, simply click Cancel to discard them. And that's it. You've now configured the default log and track settings in HubSpot, making your email tracking more consistent and reliable for your team.